Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Country Junction. I'm here today to show you how to make this cute little fun pincushion. You'll probably be surprised when I show you what I made it with. I made it with the Accuquilt Go double wedding ring die. The die comes in two pieces. This is the one piece and this is the other piece. We're not going to be using this piece at all. We're only going to be using this piece. And in fact, we're only going to be using this section of the piece, this little ellipse shape. What you're going to do is go to your scrap bucket and you're going to pick out some scraps and lay them right across here. I use my 2.5-inch scrap bucket. I just pulled some out of there and layer them on there. Altogether, you're going to need 8. You can have any variety of colors that you've liked. Put the mat on top, run it through your Go cutter. Oops. And there's our shapes. Like I said, you're going to need 8 altogether, and here I have 8 already cut out. After you have your pieces cut out, you're going to take them and you're going to put them right sides together and you're going to match the little notch right there. You might want to put a pin in the notch, and then you're going to take it to your sewing machine and you're going to sew from here all the way down to here. I already have this one sewn for you. You can see how I sewed from one edge all the way down to the other edge. You're going to need that to do that 4 times, but in one of them you're going to need to leave an opening here. So for this one, you'll just sew up to the notch, leave about an inch space, start sewing again, and then sew to the end. After you have pieces like this, you're going to open these up, and then you're going to sew them. You're going to put a pin in the notch, and you're going to sew this edge right across here from there all the way down to there. And then you're going to end up with a piece that looks like this. I clipped my seams and then I made another one just like it. So you have 2 pieces here like this. Once you get this far, the next step is to put the 2 pieces together. You're going to put a pin in that end down there, and it's a mess of seams there, so it's kind of hard to go through once you get that far. And then you can fit this in here like this. And then of course you're going to want to put a couple more pins in, right, like one to match those notches. It's absolutely great that those notches are right in the die because it really helps when you're putting pieces like this together. And you're going to match the notches up over here on this side. After you have that all set up like that, what you're going to do is you're going to take it to your machine. You're going to sew around here to here, and then you're going to start over here and then sew around to here. And then you're going to get a shape that looks like this. Well, now the trick is to find the opening. Oh, there it is. And so then you're going to take this and you're going to turn it right side out. After you have it right side out, you'll have a shape that looks kind of like this. For the stuffing for the pincushion, what I did is I used this, and this is crushed walnut shells, and you can find that in your local pet store, and it would be in the reptile section, and it looks kind of like sand. I'm sure there's many different brands of it. And then what you're going to do from there is you're going to take a funnel and you're going to fill the pincushion. After your pincushion is full, then I just took a couple of decorative buttons. You're going to want to fill it as full as you can get it, and then you're going to take a needle and thread and you would stitch this section up right here, and then you're going to end up with kind of a ball shape. You're going to put your finger here and your finger there, and it's going to be all puffed up like this. And then I took a longer needle and thread, and then I sewed one button on the top side and one button on the bottom side, and I pulled it together to kind of make almost like a bagel type shape. And that's how you can make this fun pincushion using your Accuquilt Go double wedding ring die. If you want to learn more, you can check out my blog at joescountryjunction.com.